Static variables are defined inside of a class but outside of any function definition. Static functions are available anywhere inside the class. You can call one function from another, as we've seen. Static variables have the same feature. They can be used anywhere inside the class. They have class scope as opposed to local scope. It's generally a good idea to avoid defining static variables and stick to keeping variables inside of functions and passing things between functions with parameters. But there is one common exception that I want to look at now. A constant, something that you're not going to change, is a good thing to only define once. Here we use a constant to mean a name. For instance, here I have this class constant, and notice I have a static double variable declared pi, and it's an approximation of pi. Of course, pi is the common name. Using that name is going to be less confusing than a whole bunch of digits, not to mention shorter. But since this is defined static outside of all of my static functions, I can use it inside my static functions, like my circle area function uses pi, my circumference function uses pi, and that's perfectly legitimate. One other thing, this is not something that the compiler depends on, but a convention is that constants, things that are only defined and given a value once, value is not reset anywhere in this program, such constants are written all in capital letters, capital P, in this case, capital I.